Top 5 Best Mini Workbench. Number 5. Black & Decker WM225A Portable Workbench in Vise. The Black & Decker WM225A offers a multifunctional design that makes it an ideal choice for cutting, sawing, painting, and more. With a heavy-gauge steel frame, it can support up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for more demanding projects. The adjustable rear jaws and 4 swivel pegs provide a unique gripping range, enabling you to work with irregularly shaped materials with ease. Its foldable, portable design ensures that it's easy to store and transport, weighing only 28 pounds. The legs can also be adjusted to a lower height for larger projects, giving you more flexibility in your work. The WM225A's versatile design and strong build quality make it a great choice for DIYers and professionals alike. Coming in number 4. Powertech Montana 4006V, Portable Small Workbench with Vise. The Powertech Montana 4006V combines functionality and portability in a lightweight package. Its bamboo tabletop and heavy-duty steel frame offer a solid working surface that can handle up to 220 pounds. Whether you're clamping, cutting, painting, or using it as a vise tool or sawhorse, this versatile workbench is built to accommodate a variety of projects. Imprinted metric and imperial measurements, along with a protractor scale, ensure accurate work, while the adjustable vise panels offer added project versatility. Weighing just 11 pounds, it's one of the most portable options on the market, making it easy to transport between job sites or store when not in use. The built-in tool storage rack adds to its convenience, keeping everything you need within arm's reach. Coming in number 3. Worx WX066 Sidekick Folding Worktable. The Worx WX066 Sidekick is designed for ultimate portability, weighing just 13 pounds but offering a sturdy working surface that can hold up to 300 pounds. Its rugged abs and steel construction ensures durability, whether you're sawing, hammering, or assembling. The legs lock securely, so you don't have to worry about the table wobbling or sinking, even on uneven surfaces like soft ground or pavement. For those with limited space, this workbench folds down in seconds and can be easily stowed away until your next project. The Sidekick comes with clamps and is compatible with other Worx tables, making it an excellent choice if you want to expand your workspace. It's a compact yet reliable companion for a wide range of tasks. Coming in number 2. Black & Decker WM425A Portable Workbench. The Black & Decker WM425A, also known as the Workmate Project Center, is a classic workbench that has stood the test of time. It's perfect for various DIY projects, from woodworking to automotive tasks, thanks to its durable, heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo worktop. Capable of supporting up to 550 pounds, this workbench offers both stability and strength for large projects. One of the most versatile features is its adjustable jaws, allowing you to work with irregularly shaped materials. The footrest under the table improves stability and leverage, especially for planing or sawing tasks. Setup and storage are quick and effortless, thanks to its foldable design. Whether you need to clamp, saw, or paint, the WM425A adapts to your project requirements. Coming in number 1. Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench. The Performance Tool W54025 is designed for those who value portability and precision in their projects. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport from job to job and store away when not in use. The printed tabletop includes useful guides like a grid, ruler, and protractor, which come in handy for detailed measurements. The one-handed clamp system is a standout feature, offering independent jaw adjustment for greater versatility. Plus, the jaws are resistant to warping and can be angled to secure materials of different shapes. Despite its compact size, it can handle a respectable 200 pounds safe working load. With dimensions of 23 7/8 inch by 25 inches by 31 inches, it's compact but functional. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this workbench is built for ease of use and mobility without sacrificing sturdiness.